Hello everyone, my name is Isaiah Rodic Maliksi, and today I'm gonna talk about input and output in Python. Input and output in Python is how a program talks to the user. Input is when the program asks the user for information using input, and output is when the program shows something on the screen using print. What is input? Input means asking the user for information. Python use input stores the user answer in a variable. So input is when the program asks you to type something. In Python, we use input for this. Whatever you type gets saved in a variable so the program can use it later. What is output? Output means displaying messages or results. Python use print, helps show result, messages, errors, and calculations. So, output is when the program shows something on the screen. In Python, we use print to do this. It can show text, numbers, or results of calculations. So, here's how input works in Python. First, the program displays a question to the user, like asking for their name. Then, the user types their answer, and the program stores it in a variable, which is like a little box that remembers the information. And finally, the program can use this information to do something like greeting the user with their name. So here's how output works in Python. The program shows information on the screen, like a message or the result of a calculation. To do this, we use print function. The program can display messages, numbers, or results, and this is how it talks back to the user so we can see what's happening in the program. So here's an example of input and output. This code asks the user to enter two numbers one at a time. First, it uses input to get the first number, and int converts it into a number so the program can do math. Then, it asks for the second number in the same way. After that, the program adds the two numbers together and stores the result in a variable called sum. Finally, it uses print to show the result on the screen, displaying a message like the sum is 10. This way, the program takes input, processes it, and gives output to the user. So here are the main things to remember about input and output in Python. Print is used when the program wants to show something on the screen, like a message or a result. Input is when the program wants to get information from the user, like their name or a number. Input is always a string, even if the user types a number. So if you want to do math with it, you need to use int to convert it into a number.